people, so there is this super cute, no, really cute show called Indian Matchmaker on Netflix, and it is such a cute show, yeah. Like seriously, because because it's basically it follows these whole bunch of single people who need the help of a matchmaker to find them matches, and it is a very international show because it's all about Indians staying in the States, and of course Indians staying in Mumbai also. But really, it's very eye-opening experience watching those 8 episodes. So you try and catch it, people. It's called Indian Matchmaker, and it is a very cute and very amazing show on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. Like I said, I'm very careful about making my videos only 1 minute long. So thanks for watching, people.